the make and model of your bike?
This lady right here is a 07 Yamaha R6.
Okay. How long have you been riding?
I've been riding since 2019.
2019. First bike? Okay. So, why Yamaha versus some other bike? Why Yamaha versus like a Honda?
So, this is, I learned in the R6. So, I was like, you know what? Let me stick to R6. You know, safety first. I love it.
You love it? Are you going to change your bike?
Change it as
Like get another bike or a second bike?
I will give if she bails on me, I'll probably get another bike.
Oh, okay. Only, but you're going to ride it till the end.
I'm that type of person, yeah.
Oh, okay.
My cars, yeah. I was born at home, but died at home. That's one of them. One of them. Y'all get it?
As long as it's working, you're not going to change it, right? That's what you mean. What's your riding style? Do you ride on the highway or streets or where?
I'm kind of both. I've done streets. I do a lot of ride outs.
Do you ride on the highway or by yourself?
I do both.
Okay. What do you like more?
I don't know. They're both different feelings.
I know.
One day you just want to be on your own, solo, you in the pavement, and then the next you want to be with a group of friends, having a good old time.
So when you bought the bike, how many miles did you have? Like approximately.
I don't know. She's an old baby, so.
How many miles do you think you put on it? Like 5,000, 10,000 miles?
I would say I put maybe like a good 7,000 on it. All right. All right.
Your bike looks good.
Thank you.
Very welcome.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Is this your first time here?
To their bike convention.
Third time here?
Third time here. Not this location, but third time to their event.
And this location?
No. We usually do a different location.
Oh, I didn't know. This is my first time.
This is their first time to their location.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but it's a Laurel's a pretty nice area, very diverse.
Yeah, very diverse. Yeah.
Very diverse.
Good.
You can't go wrong. You got people from Baltimore coming down. You got people from DC coming down. So they're smart.
What kind of work do you do?
I'm a surgical assistant.
What?
A surgical assistant.
Surgical assistant? Oh, medical field. Okay, you like it?
I love it.
Did you go to school for that or?
No, I just learned from scratch.
you picked it up?
I just picked it up.
And is it a local place you work in? Or is it some of the DC here?
It's in Maryland.
In Maryland.
It's local.
It's local.
Yeah. They have different locations. I'm in the Rockville location.
Oh, you're in Rockville, okay. Cutting people up or something like that?
Yeah, pretty much. We're in the I'm in the oral field, so oral surgery. So,
Oral surgery,
yeah,
okay.
So we jack him out.
Good.